his target spot ready, because what he needs to do, try and get his two wheels in line with the wheel arches of car number one. Just like that. Now you can probably see the right-hand side is coming up a little bit before the left. But he'll probably just change his approach angle a little bit. The last thing you want is for the launch to be sideways, because if you go sideways up, by golly, you're coming sideways down.
You probably wouldn't really want your car parked there either, along that road.
Here we go, thumbs up from Drew. You all ready in the grandstand? You all ready? Here we go then, 3, 2, 1. Jump of the final show here. It's the show finale. The lights are flashing, the thumbs are up. This is the last one. It could be a big one. Get your cameras ready. We're going in.